Recently, a new partner has joined the production workshop of Tianao Medical. Handheld laser welding machine. The handheld laser welding machine is specifically designed to overcome the limitations of traditional welding equipment. It is designed to meet the diverse welding needs of modern industry. It offers advantages such as high efficiency, precision, and flexibility. Most of Tianao Medical's products contain metal components, making welding an indispensable process. The upgrade of the handheld laser welding machine has not only injected new vitality into production. At the seminar, participants exchanged views on improving production technology. On the production floor, everyone was eager to try out the equipment and enthusiastically shared their technical insights with colleagues. This production equipment upgrade at Tianao Medical not only signifies that its manufacturing capabilities remain at the forefront of technology, but also showcases a craftsman's spirit of pursuing excellence in product craftsmanship. For 28 years, Tianao Medical has accumulated profound technical expertise and extensive practical experience in the field of medical furniture, and has developed numerous high-quality, user-friendly medical furniture products. Tianao Medical's products are highly trusted by users.